This is the automatic packing machine. Now I show you how to connect to wrap the film in the machine. First to loose the screw, then to place the roll film at this direction, and then fasten the screws. And drop the film, and this is how to wrap the film. Then put the film into this gap. First to open the gap at this position, open it. Put the film down, drop the film down. After that, you should close it. Then show you how to install the easy tear string. To put the roll film at this position and fasten the screws. And put the string into the hole. Then wrap the string under this white roll and put it top of this second white roll. And then put it there and stick to the BOPP film. First to connect with air compressor, then open the machine and open the temperature button. Now I show you where to connect the air compressor with the machine. This part, this tube to connect with